One mistake, just one mistake, your TV, your fridge, your AC can be destroyed in seconds. Please watch this video to the end so that you see four solutions to fixing those mistakes. In this video, I will show you how to protect your appliances from electrical damage. Now, what causes damage? Your appliances get damaged mainly from voltage fluctuation, power surge, or poor wiring. Dangers of power surge. When power suddenly becomes so high, it burns your appliances instantly. Now, what are the solutions? That is where you should focus on, the solution, not the problem. The first solution is use stabilizer. A stabilizer controls voltage before it enters your appliances. So this is your first line of protection. Stabilizer, your first line of protection. Second solution is turn off appliances during fluctuation. When your light is not stable, switch off your appliances immediately. Now the third solution, avoid overloading your sockets. Too many devices in one socket. You're laughing, right? You're guilty of that, I know. Too many devices on one socket can damage your appliances. So avoid overloading your socket. Fourth solution, fix bad wiring. Bad wiring can cause unstable electricity. So try and fix it. That is a bonus tip for you all. If you are watching to this end, please comment bonus in the comment section. Bonus tip, always unplug sensitive appliances during storm or long outage. Like your TV, they are sensitive appliances. So when there is long outage or when there is stormy weather, unplug your appliances. So if you value your appliances, don't ignore this tip. Comment protect if you are ready to protect your home and your appliances. Please subscribe to this channel, follow this page, and share for others to learn too. Don't keep it to yourself alone. Share for others to learn. Bye. See you in my next video.
No.